We are sponsored by 888 Poker at the World Series of Poker. So in honor of that, I'm going to ask you as many questions as I can in 88 seconds.
Oh, definitely. I'm keen. Let's go.
Rapid fire. Let's go.
Yeah.
Put it on the clock.
Hit me.
I'll hit you. What is your best Photoshop ever?
It's very hard to comment on that because I've got so many good quality Photoshops. I don't know, man. I can't answer that. Too many. I'll let the people decide.
We'll put a poll out there a la Instagram. Who's your favorite person to Photoshop into photos?
Oh, Sam Panzica. I'm definitely about the free Panzica movement. He can't play the WSOP, so like, I want to bring him back, and I bring him back through memes as best I can.
And they're hilarious. Yeah. If you could pick 3 people, living or dead, famous or not, hello, gentlemen, to be in a home game, who would you pick to play in your home game?
Dude, that's an intense question. I'm one of them. Dude, who would I bring up? I like Rodney Dangerfield.
You're being timed right now.
I know, but like this is you can't launch this question. I had to give it some thought. Ankush Mandavia. He's alive though. Oh, there's one more. I guess Donald Trump because like I'm just interested by what's going on over there. Yeah, let's put him in there.
And he has a lot of money to give away at poker.
Sure, but like it's not about the money. It's just about the experience. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, poker's just about the experience, not the money.
For sure.
What's the weirdest thing you've seen someone bring to a poker table?
Ooh. Just like weird card protectors. Like I saw someone bring like a fossil maybe. I don't know. Like what do you want me to say? I haven't seen
dog.
I've never experienced a dog, but I've seen like maybe fossils or like I saw someone bring like a memorial once of like the dead child, which was kind of like
heavy.
What do you say to that? You just like I'm sorry if you're lost, but I'm going to take your chips now.
You just 3-bet them every time.
It's like weird. It's like, I don't know. It was weird. It was weird.
Messed up. All right. We're out of time, but I have more questions for you. So we're just going to keep going. Put another 88 seconds on the clock.
Right, let's go.
What was your favorite movie as a kid?
Oh, my favorite movie as of recent times? Okay, I like
when you were a kid.
Well, first off, I am a man-child, so like my childhood extends to my existence right now. The Departed, Little Mermaid.
Yes, great.
Can I put that in there?
Those are like 2 very different movies, but yeah, Little Mermaid and Departed. Let's go. What's your favorite kind of alcohol?
Oh, probably beer, but I drink all of the spectrum of alcohols. Yeah.
Me too. God bless you. That's why we're friends.
Yeah.
Do you believe in aliens?
Yes, for sure. Statistically speaking, there's a higher chance that they exist than they don't exist. So I'm waiting for them to reach out to me. My mum used to tell me that my father was an alien. So like.
Did you ever believe her?
I do, yes. Very, very,
this day?
very intensely. Yeah, I'm an alien. Yeah.
You are very tall. How tall are you?
6'7", very tall.
You know, for a white person, it's pretty tall.
I mean, sure. Yeah.
Last one. What's your favorite board game?
Scrabble.
Really?
Yep. I can't, like, my spelling is fair, not as good as, like, Pratush Badiga, who's my spelling mentor, but, yeah, I can spell, and I feel like if I do Scrabble, I beat people, so, like, as long as I can win.
It's not totally about spelling, it's about using your, like, the letters and getting the full points.
Strategy hasn't evolved that far. It's just, like, I just do what I need to do to win, and if I win, I'm very proud. Yeah.
It's like poker. Your strategy hasn't evolved that far, you just do what you need to do to win.
Yes, I do what I need to do to win, and there we go.
All right. Thank you. It lasted way longer than it was supposed to. But I'm so fascinated by your father, the alien.
Thank you.
All right. Stay tuned. PokerNews.com.